Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I customize my Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and as you can see, my phone looks boring, right? Because I only applied the default theme, and I'm going to show you how we can make it more captivating. Okay, first of all, we need to go to our setting, and I'm going to change my wallpaper. I'm going to go to the Galaxy themes to get a lot of wallpapers. Okay, you can open up your Galaxy themes, and I'm going to go to the wallpaper section, and here we can choose the wallpaper that we like. If you want to get free wallpaper, you can filter it. You can select free, and the free wallpaper will appear on your screen, and you just need to select the wallpaper that you like. And for example, I'm going to apply this wallpaper guys, or actually you can go to the search menu, and then you can search for a specific wallpaper you want to apply to your phone. I'm going to click on apply. I'm going to apply it to my lock screen and home screen. Okay, and this is the preview. I'm just going to click on done and wait for a moment. Okay, now my wallpaper has been changed. If you want to search for a specific wallpaper, you just need to go to the search menu, and you can enter the keyword, for example, aesthetic, sunset, or maybe a winter. It's up to you. And then the second one, I'm going to go to the icons because I want to change my app icon as well. You can go to the top and then choose the icon you want to apply right here. Tap on the icon, and then you can click on download and apply it to your phone. I'm just going to go to the items I have downloaded guys. Okay, this is the icons I have downloaded, and I'm going to select one of them. Okay, I'm going to click on apply, and this icon will be applied to my phone. Okay, this is the result guys. And then I'm going to change my font. I'm going to go to the setting and go back to the main setting and go to the display, and I'm going to change the font size and style. Okay, for the font style, I'm going to select this Choco Cookie. If you want to get more font, you just need to go to the download fonts, and here you'll be able to get a lot of fonts for your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, now my font has been changed, and this is how the fonts looks like. Alright, and then I'm going to show you how I customize my home screen as well. I'm going to get weather information and also information about date and time. So I'm going to add a widget. We can tap and hold on the home screen on any empty area of our home screen and go to the widget, and I'm going to add weather widget. Okay, select weather, and I'm going to choose this one, weather and clock. I'm going to add it to my home screen. Oops, I'm going to move it guys. I'm going to move it right here, and then I want to get the Google search bar on this home screen as well. Go back to the widget, and I'm going to select this Google search bar. Place it right here. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to add a WhatsApp widget as well. Okay, I'm going to add this one. Okay, by this widget we can read the WhatsApp chat without opening WhatsApp app. Okay, you can pick the message from here. It will be so useful if you want to read the chat without opening the WhatsApp. Okay, and this is the final result guys. As you can see that my phone looks more interesting, right? Okay guys, so that's all the way to customize our Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!